Welcome to myQ facility. This video will provide an overview of the dock management and iDock features in the myQ facility web portal. If your facility is utilizing the dock management feature with non-LiftMaster devices, you can set up your iDock link on the device management page. After you've added your iDock link to your subscription, you'll see the iDock listed under Configure Devices. Click the blue Start button next to the iDock link. In the pop-up, select Add another gateway. Click iDock Gateway. Enter the serial number and device name. Click Next. To connect the iDock link, you'll need access to your iDock Gateway and iDock Link hardware. Make sure the iDock Gateway and iDock Link are both online. Then, press the Pair button on the iDock link. Click Next. Enter the iDock link device's serial number and device name. Click Next. Now you'll add information about the iDock, including your leveler brand, leveler type, and your restraint brand. Click Next. Here you'll configure your sensors. You can add up to 10 sensors to your iDock. Select the sensor and the wiring type. If needed, refer to the quick tip for more information on the types of wiring. Your iDock link has been successfully added. For further information, speak with your Customer Success Manager or visit our support website. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster, powered by myQ.